Hello everyone, here's how you can use your OKIOCAM with Microsoft Teams. After you've connected OKIOCAM to your computer, launch Teams. In Teams, select Meet Now. Hit the device settings icon and select your OKIOCAM from the camera drop-down menu. Close down the settings menu and you're good to go. You can now join a meeting or start a meeting of your own, and Teams will use your OKIOCAM as your camera. If you would like to share the video from a front-facing webcam as well as your OKIOCAM at the same time, this can be done using our OKIOCAM Snapshot and Recorder app and the Share Content feature in Teams. First, you'll need to download and install OKIOCAM Snapshot and Recorder. You can download it from here. Once you've got that installed, launch Teams. This time, select your front-facing webcam as your camera. Open up Snapshot and Recorder. Join or start a new Teams call. Select Share Content. Select OKIOCAM Snapshot and Recorder Live Mode. You are now sharing OKIOCAM Snapshot and Recorder with anyone on the call. Here's what everyone else on the call will see. When you're done screen sharing, hit the Stop Presenting icon.